Hello! In this video we are going to see the script needed on the thank you page of this setup in Cheetah. The thank you page is here. We need to edit it because the JavaScript is within the iframe element. It is not in the page settings script like for the Magic Funnels page. Here it is in an iframe. Why? Because this iframe also displays the link, the button. You can see here the green button is generated by the script, and that's where when we click on the button, the destination will change depending on the script. So that's why here we are in the iframe. We can see here in general settings, all the code is here, but you have only 2 lines, so it's not very handy to look at it. So what I'm going to do is to select all, copy, and I will paste it in a text editor here. Okay, so now I have it. In fact, that's all there is to see here in this page, because we have all the scripts inside. We don't have in the page settings, and here's just a YouTube video, and that's it. All the rest is you can manage it from the editor. So let's see what it does in the script. The first part of the script is just a CSS in a style CSS in order to create this green button. So visit the link button. There is a lot of instruction just to make a green button, and over, so when the mouse goes over, what it does, and when it's active. Then we have here the A, so this means this creates the link, this creates the button. If you want to change the text of the button, it's here, visit the link. So you can see that href here is empty at first. And then we start the JavaScript. So the first there are two functions that we have also in the Magic Funnels page. Is the get cookie and set cookie. Those are the two functions, and it stops here. So what it does first, when it comes to the page, is to set the cookie bridge already opt-in with the value of yes, and for 365 days, so a whole year. So we set this cookie. Every time we go to this page, it is reset. So on the Magic Funnels page, if there is this cookie, it means that the visitor has already visited the thank you page, and so it will be redirected to the thank you page immediately. So we set this cookie, but also we say if get cookie bridge destination is different than nothing. So if it exists and has the value, then look at this this line. It says we change the href of the element visit the link button, which is the line we saw just before, the A visit the link, the button. In fact, with href it was empty. So now we set it with the value of the cookie bridge destination. This cookie has been set on the Magic Funnel page by reading the value of the U argument in the URL. We took this value and put it in the cookie. Or we could have set a default value if there was nothing in the URL. And that's where we put in the bridge destination cookie, we put the value, and we use this value to set the href of the button at this stage. But that is if we have a value in this cookie bridge destination. Else, so if we don't have a value, then we set it to a default. And that's why I told you in the other video, I told you that in my Magic Funnels, I didn't set a default value, because I know on the thank you page, I have a default value to put, so I will use this one. And my default value is this HTTP. It's a link shortener, in fact, to share this funnel that we are looking now at the moment in those videos. I use the public sharing link, and that's my default value for this button, so that if I don't put anything, when people register, they can import my funnel, this one, directly into their Cheetah account that they have just created by going through the magic funnels. So that's why, but I could put something else. So anyway, this is the end of the script in the iframe element of the thank you page. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for listening. If you have any question about the setup, you can ask me, and you can see here the URL that you can follow in order to import these funnels and so those scripts into your Cheetah and your Builderall account. Bye bye.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site, or click map your fans, see the pages they like, or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.